The last Chrome OS device to emerge from Google was the Pixelbook, a top-notch Chromebook which works both as a laptop and tablet. If there's one thing, other than the price, preventing more people buying a Pixelbook One, it's the operating system it runs, Chrome OS. This is fine if you want to do web-based stuff, but it's limiting when you need to run Windows-specific software for more demanding tasks. However, that could be about to change as XDA developers has been tracking code changes and in particular a new branch of the Pixelbook code named Eve Campfire. In a nutshell, there's enough evidence to support the theory that Google has been using Microsoft certification tools so that the Pixelbook can run Windows 10 legitimately. The Pixelbook, being the most recent device, is used as the testbed for future products. So while it's unclear whether the original Pixelbook would get an update that allows users to install Windows 10 or whether only the next generation Pixelbook will gain the capability remains to be seen.
Number 1. What are the Pixelbook 2's rumored specs? A user on Reddit has discovered some juicy details in a file related to Chrome OS which essentially reveals a device codenamed Atlas with a display resolution of 3840 into 2160 pixels. And as you well know, that is 4K. As of yet, no Chromebook has had a 4K screen. The Pixelbook's 12.3 inch display has a resolution of 2400 into 1600. Previously there have been rumors of a secret 4K Chromebook which many took as a joke. However, this discovery adds weight to the theory that Google will indeed launch a 4K Chrome OS device soon. Whether this is a tablet or a 2-in-1 hybrid like the Pixelbook is yet to be confirmed, but other leaks and rumors suggest the new device will have a Kaby Lake chip, a keyboard and a trackpad.
Number 2. When is the Pixelbook 2 release date? Right now, the device itself is based on only a couple of discoveries, and Google made no mention of it at its annual developer conference, I/O, which was in May. The leaks and rumors suggest we will be seeing new Pixelbook at mid-2019.